Hi everybody. Recently, RBI increased the interest rates. In the month of May, there was a 40 basis point increase, and in the month of June, there was a 50 basis points of increase in the interest rates. So, in just a span of 1 month, RBI increases the interest rate by 90 basis points, which is 0.9%. Let us try to understand why RBI is increasing this interest rates and how it is going to impact us. In order to understand this, first we need to start with inflation. There has been a lot of buzz around the increase of inflation in the recent times. What is inflation? Inflation is an economic term that describes a general increase in the price and a fall in the purchasing power of money. If I put it in simple terms, money losing its value is called as inflation. Let us try to understand this with the help of one simple example. Assume you bought a car an year ago at a price of 10 lakh rupees. Today, if you want to buy the same car with the same features, it is going to cost you 11 lakh rupees. So if you observe here, the price of the car has gone by 1 lakh rupees, which is a 10% increase. This is what we simply call it as inflation. Now, what is causing the inflation to increase in the recent times? There are actually plenty of reasons for the same. One of the main reason is the cost of production of the goods is increasing. Why the cost of production of the goods is increasing? The basic reason is increase in the fuel prices. As we are also not an exception for this, we are also feeling the heat of the increase in the fuel prices. Why fuel prices are increasing? The obvious reason is the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war. Russia used to be the one of the biggest exporter of oil for the global markets. But to prevent Russia from attacking Ukraine, countries like the USA and UK have imposed sanctions on the Russian oil, which simply means that they have stopped buying Russian oil to create economic pressure on Russia, which actually led to the scarcity of the oil. One more reason for increase in inflation is increase of the food prices. Ukraine used to be the world's fourth largest exporter of corn and sixth largest exporter of wheat before Russian invasion. But this Russian invasion even tightened these food supplies also. So now if you pay attention, there is a scarcity of oil and food, but the demand for the same is high. So we know the basic rule of economics here, which says when demand is more than supply, it's obviously going to increase the price. Now, how the demand for the products can be reduced? Simply by reducing the supply of money in the hands of the people. RBI tries to achieve that objective by increasing interest rates, which simply means RBI is making it more expensive to borrow. When borrowing becomes more expensive, people will have less amount of funds available with them, which actually leads to the reduction of the demand. So this is the basic reason why RBI increases the interest rate. Now, how this increase in the interest rate is going to impact us? Our EMIs are going to become more costlier, especially if our loans are subject to floating interest rates. But India is not the only country which is suffering from this crisis of inflation. Even the countries across the world are facing the same kind of situation. So the Federal Bank, which is actually the central bank of USA, have also increased the interest rates in the US by 75 basis points. So this is the reason why RBI is increasing the interest rates and how it is going to impact us. Hope you like this video. Please do share it.